Hey guys, it's Kyra, and today's video is going to be all about 3 DIY crop top ideas using just what you have at home. So the key component for all 3 looks is to find a strapless bra, a fitted strapless bra, because that's what will help our crop tops fit and stay snug all day. So the first crop top is using a square scarf. This is a scarf I actually found at a thrift store, and it is 40 inches by 40 inches. You want it to be long. So the first step is to take 2 of the opposite ends and fold them in half to create a triangular shape. And then you wrap the scarf around the back of your body and actually tuck both of the ends into the bra, if that makes sense. So as you can see here, I wrapped around the back of me and I'm tucking it inside of the bra. And as you can see, once you tuck it inside and pull it taut, it kind of creates a little bit of like a faux bustier, or like that bralette shape, you know? So that's the first step. It's really simple. And then you'll have the third corner that's hanging down there at the bottom. Little triangular angle piece down there hanging down at the back. So what you'll do is you'll actually just tuck that part inside the bra in the back. Super easy. Again, this is all no sewing, no cutting, no anything. So just tuck that part under the bra and trust me you guys, it'll stay in place. Okay? Then you want to go ahead and pull the sides taut just to make sure that there's no extra fabric hanging down the sides and that everything is nice and snug and fitted all around the crop top. And again, just pull it tight, tuck that back into the bra, and then with the remaining 2 hanging tassel pieces, you'll just tuck that going over and tuck that into the bra as well. So that was 3 steps, you guys. It was super simple and easy, and that is our first DIY crop top. The second one is actually using a piece of fabric. Now, I don't know the exact material of this. I bought it a while ago, but I know that it is 1.5 yards of fabric, and I got it from Joann's in the apparel section, okay? So I have not cut this fabric whatsoever. I'm keeping it just as it came. Again, it was 1.5 yards, and it's very wide, so I actually tie it in half twice. So I fold it 4 times, okay? And I just take it over my shoulder, and I tuck one end of the fabric underneath the bra, underneath the back of the bra, okay? Of course, again, to keep the entire crop top tight and in place all day. Then you take the rest of the fabric, wrap it across your body or across your chest, or I guess wrap it across the opposite side of your chest, and wrap it around your back, okay? So as you can see, whenever you wrap it around the back, you're actually covering where you tucked in the fabric underneath your bra. So that, you know, takes care of that. So then with the extra fabric, you'll actually just tuck the rest of the fabric into that part that, you know, goes across the chest. You'll actually tuck it over and through that remaining portion of the fabric. So creating a bit of a bow. So again, you just wrapped it around the back and then tucked it inside of the fabric and pulled it through the center. And you just have a little piece hanging down in the center. And right now I'm just gathering the fabric where I wanted to. I feel like really gathering, kind of squinching it together in certain areas really helps to make the crop top look really nice and just really stylish, you know? So it's just all in the details, you guys, all in the details. And that is the look, you guys. As you can see in the back, it looks really nice. Again, that tucked in piece is covered, and we have our second trendy crop top. So that's 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and show the third one later on, but this is the first crop top. I'm doing it again, showing you guys it on me. So that way, you know, you guys can get a real life view of how it would look if I'm actually applying it on myself. So remember, you wrap it around you from behind, and then you tuck the 2 pieces that's hanging down in the front inside the bra, and then the triangular piece that's hanging down in the back, you actually tuck that underneath the back part of the bra, you know, where the bra snaps together. And now I'm just pulling it taut here, just make sure that those sides aren't hanging down, that there's no like extra fabric on the sides. Okay, of course, taking those 2 tassels, gathering together and tucking them inside of the bra and pulling it down in the center. And that is crop top number 1. Alright, now here's crop top number 2. Again, just showing you guys how it actually works whenever I'm applying it myself. So again, put the fabric over your shoulders or tuck it under the bra. pull it super tight, you guys. The whole key of these looks is to pull it tight so that way it's not going anywhere throughout the day. So you aren't pinning it, cutting it, anything, okay? And this, wrap it around the back, tuck that extra piece of fabric underneath, tuck the extra piece of fabric over the part that's going across your chest, pull it through the center, and you have crop top number 2. Super simple, you guys, super easy, and I love, love, love the way this one looks. Very, very chic. Okay, and then here's crop top number 3. I didn't do it on the mannequin just because it's honestly super, super simple. So this is actually using a button-up shirt that I actually thrifted from the thrift store. You guys know I love to thrift. And of course, the idea is just to take the top of the shirt, pull it off your shoulders, and then of course button it in the center to where it'll, you know, the shirt will stay up in place, but you still have the shoulders exposed. Okay, so button it in the center where you still have your shoulders out. Tie the 2 ends, you know, tie them together, tie it in a bow. So then you'll have 2 pieces. You'll tuck the bottom piece underneath the bra. And then once it comes out the top of the bra, you'll gather the 2 ends and again, tuck that underneath the bra as well. So again, you'll tuck the bottom piece underneath the bra, pull it through, and then you'll have the 2 pieces at the top, and then just tuck those 2 pieces over and under the bra as well. And here's crop top number 3, guys. So super simple, super easy crop top ideas. Again, using what you have at home. And they're very, very chic, trendy, and stylish, and perfect for the fashionista on a budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Fashion Friday video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.